Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best interactive toy from Hound, the Hide a Squirrel plush dog toy puzzle in the medium size. If you're looking for a way to keep your dog entertained, mentally stimulated, and happily engaged, this toy might just be what you need. The Hide a Squirrel toy is a clever 2-in-1 puzzle and squeaky toy combo designed to satisfy your dog's natural hunting instincts. It features a soft, plush tree trunk that holds 3 squeaky squirrels inside. Your dog's task is to hunt and find the squirrels hidden within the trunk, turning playtime into an exciting hide-and-seek adventure. Once your dog successfully retrieves the squirrels, the fun doesn't stop there. You can toss the squirrels around for a game of fetch. One of the standout features of this toy is its ability to challenge your dog's problem-solving skills. By encouraging your dog to sniff out and extract the squirrels, the toy provides valuable mental stimulation, which is great for reducing boredom and promoting positive energy. It's especially useful for dogs that tend to get restless when left alone or lack enough physical exercise. The plush texture is gentle on your dog's teeth and gums, making it suitable for both puppies and adult dogs. This is important because it ensures safe play without causing discomfort, while still offering the satisfying squeaks that keep dogs intrigued. Hound offers multiple sizes of the Hide a Squirrel puzzle, from small to extra large, so you can pick the right fit for your dog's size and playstyle. The medium size, which we're focusing on, measures about 6 inches high by 6.75 inches long and 6 inches wide. It's the perfect balance for most medium-sized dogs, providing a manageable challenge without being overwhelming. The toy is made with quality materials, but it's important to remember that it is intended for supervised play rather than as a chew toy. Hound advises pet parents to keep an eye on their dogs while they're playing and to replace the toy if it becomes damaged to maintain safety. Another great aspect is that the tree trunk is compatible with refill animals, allowing you to swap out the squirrels or add new plush critters to keep the game fresh and exciting for your pup. This versatility extends the life of the toy and keeps your dog engaged over time. This Hide a Squirrel toy is also part of Hound's larger lineup of interactive dog puzzle toys, which are designed to promote mental enrichment. These toys are perfect for pet parents who want to offer more than just physical play and are looking to stimulate their dog's brain in a fun and positive way. If you love the idea of an interactive toy that taps into your dog's instincts and offers hours of entertainment, this medium Hide a Squirrel puzzle is a fantastic choice. It combines the appeal of a squeaky plush toy with a puzzle challenge that can help keep your furry friend mentally sharp and emotionally satisfied. That's all for today's review on the best Hound Hide a Squirrel plush dog toy puzzle, medium size. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more product critiques, be sure to subscribe to Product Critique. Thanks for watching.